out a greeting that works good for you guys. Write out the greeting, and then let's we'll share it. What you should do in the greeting: welcome the customer, compliment their choice, sell them the steps, and then you need to have a good transition to step 2. Hi, welcome to
Rock Hill Nissan.
Rock Hill Nissan. Thanks for coming in. I'm glad you're here. What vehicle did you come to see today, sir?
I came to see the Nissan Pathfinder.
Nissan Pathfinder, awesome. Those are so nice. You definitely came to the right place. We got the best selection of Pathfinders anywhere you are going to find in the area. Have you spoken with somebody here? Is your first time here?
No, I haven't actually.
Oh, cool. My name's Scott. What's your name?
My name is Elias.
Elias. Pleasure. Before you go home, I'll show you the Pathfinders. We'll take it for a drive if you haven't driven them yet. We'll get you pricing, payments, in writing, anything you want to do today. What are you driving now?
I drive a Volkswagen.
Oh, cool. Is your Volkswagen here?
Yes, it is.
Nice, nice. What are you planning on doing with your Volkswagen?
I'm planning on seeing how much I can get for it.
You know, I know this sounds crazy because you probably came in just thinking about the Pathfinder. It would save us so much time. If I could walk out to your Volkswagen, I could grab the VIN, grab the miles, grab some basic stuff, and then by the time we're done driving the Pathfinder, I could have numbers on your Volkswagen. It'll save us like 30 minutes. You mind if we start with your car real quick?
Yeah, that's fine.
And then I get him out to his car. And you know what he tells me? He tells me that he doesn't really need a Pathfinder, he just needs something bigger. He just wants something with more space. And he buys a Maxima today. And he saves X amount of dollars by going to the Maxima. I want to tell them I can do whatever they want to do, and then I want to transition to the next step in my sales process. Step number 2 is what? Needs assessment, fact finding. So I agree, and then I transition. Make sense? All right, write down your greeting, please. Come on, let's do it. Write out a greeting that you're happy with.